deep beneath the surface of the earth lies a powerful, renewable energy source that has remained largely untapped until now. Welcome to Utah, home to the soon-to-be world's largest geothermal energy project, the Fervo Cape Geothermal Power Project. With a massive capacity of up to 2 gigawatts, this cutting-edge venture is poised to power 2 million homes and make history. But how exactly does geothermal energy work? Unlike traditional power plants that burn fossil fuels, geothermal energy taps into the Earth's natural heat. Water is injected deep into hot subsurface rock formations where it becomes superheated. This heated water or steam is then brought back to the surface to drive turbines and generate electricity. Situated in Beaver County, Utah, the Fervo Cape project will span over 600 acres with around 150 acres on public lands. But what sets this project apart isn't just its size, it's the technology behind it. While traditional geothermal systems rely on naturally occurring underground hot water reservoirs, the Fervo Cape project uses enhanced geothermal systems or EGS. This innovative technology unlocks geothermal energy in areas where natural water and permeability are limited, expanding geothermal potential across the US. To make this vision a reality, the project will develop around 23 well pads for drilling and extraction, along with up to 20 geothermal power plants. From here, a network of power lines and pipelines will carry clean, renewable energy to the homes of millions. This ambitious project was made possible thanks to the support of the Bureau of Land Management, which recently approved nearly 32 gigawatts of clean energy projects on public lands. With the Fervo Cape project leading the way, the US is positioning itself at the forefront of geothermal energy. One of the most compelling aspects of geothermal energy is its environmental impact or lack thereof. Geothermal power generates minimal carbon emissions, providing a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. And unlike solar or wind energy, geothermal energy offers a constant, reliable power source, day or night, rain or shine. The beauty of EGS technology is that it extends the reach of geothermal energy beyond traditional regions, unlocking the potential for geothermal projects across the entire US. As EGS continues to advance, more states can tap into the power deep beneath their feet. And the potential doesn't stop there. EGS technology is being explored worldwide, from Europe to Asia, helping nations meet their climate goals while expanding the use of clean energy. Back in Utah, the Fervo Cape project is expected to generate more than just clean energy. It will create jobs, fuel economic growth, and contribute to America's broader push for energy independence. But most importantly, it represents a key step toward a cleaner, greener future. With projects like Fervo Cape leading the way, geothermal energy is no longer a distant dream, but a powerful solution to today's energy challenges. The Earth itself holds the key, and we're just beginning to unlock its potential. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest groundbreaking innovations in clean energy, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new release.